Here's what you need to know if you're getting into digital marketing for the first time, or if you're doing marketing and you want to take it to that next level. Here's what you need to do. Don't just jump in and hire a bunch of different vendors and marketing guys and marketing agencies and try to put all these pieces together. The first thing to do is to have a strategy and to develop a plan for marketing. So if you don't have a strategy and you're just throwing a bunch of tactics together, you're going to be hoping that things just work out in alignment with your business with exactly what you want. But in reality, marketing doesn't work that way. Business doesn't work that way. You don't do that with any other aspect in your business, so you don't do that with your marketing. You need to have a strategy and a plan. Those are essential for success, and they're going to separate you from others in your market who are operating on tactics only without a strategy. The first thing you want to do is take a snapshot of where your business is right now at this point in time. You need to have that baseline from where you're operating to understand where you're going. So take a snapshot of things like your business segments, the types of projects that you're doing, which projects have been more profitable, which clients have been more profitable for you, which projects have gone well, which ones haven't, what kind of resources you have available, what kind of team do you have in-house, do you have someone that can help, do you have money available to hire a marketing company? All these factors are going to go into your decision on how you strategize your marketing and how you put those pieces together to ultimately get you what you're after. Once you have an honest and realistic assessment of where your business is right now, then we can start to think about what those targets look like. Where do you want to go with your business over the next few years? Maybe you've never thought of that, maybe you have, but now is a great time to start thinking about that, because marketing is a long-term proposition. As much as you want to get results right away, and we as a marketing company want to get you those early results and early traction and prove the viability of everything, you need to be thinking in terms of long-term, right? So where are you going with your business in the next few years? You don't need like a 5-year plan, like who has that, right? But you need to understand, like, where do I want to be in a year? How many people do I want to have in my company? What types of projects do we want to do? Do we want to be expanding where we are? Do we want to be opening up new locations maybe? I know that's a big thing for a lot of our clients, is expanding the different locations. What types of people are we going to look to hire? When are we going to look to hire them? Those things might not all seem completely relevant to marketing, but marketing is a piece of your overall business system, and who you have in your organization, salespeople, production managers, admin, executives, leadership, that all plays a role in what you're able to do with your marketing and how you go about it, whether you're doing it yourself or if you're hiring someone or a company to do it for you. So that is your target. You have your business snapshot here, you have your target over here, and now what we can do is figure out what we need to do to get from point A to point B. And that's what we call our gap analysis. So we want to do that gap analysis, and what that is it's an analysis of how do we close the gap from point A to point B. Now, depending on your business and the resources that you have available and where you are, everyone's path is going to be a little bit different. So what we want to do, what you want to do, is look at what you currently have going on. Like, what are the things that you have currently going on in your business that maybe we can amplify a little bit better? Do you have video content? Do you have great photos? Are you doing events in the community? Do you have Saturday morning sales meetings with your team? What kind of things are you already doing that you can amplify with marketing? That's a great first step. And then from there, you look at your target, you figure out how much you want to amplify those activities. So maybe you're only looking to do an additional 5 projects a year, as some of our clients are. Maybe you're looking to do another several hundred projects a year, like if you're in roofing, for example, which some of our clients want to do. So the company that's looking for 5 more houses to build this year is going to have a very different plan from the company that's looking to do 300 more roofs this year. So the activities are going to be different, the type of marketing is going to be different, the types of leads that you're looking for are going to be different. So that gap analysis includes like the things that you already are doing that you can amplify, and then what other activities can you put into the mix in order to get you where you want to go. What activities are those? Those are likely going to be doing more content, just like this video. No surprise, we practice what we preach. Awesome. Content on video, photos, sharing some valuable educational content on social media, making sure that your website is dialed in to be an awesome conversion mechanism so that when you're bringing in all sorts of traffic from your ad campaigns, that you have a great home base for converting visitors into leads, inquiries, projects, clients, and dollars, of course. So those are all parts of this analysis that you have to do, but you can't begin to put those pieces in place unless you have that business snapshot, that foundation, that baseline, and then you have your target, your destination, you know where you're going, okay? So that's what you need to do as we wrap up this video here. That's what you need to do when you're planning out your marketing. Don't just dive in and start doing these random activities because you see that other people are doing them online. Your business is unique, your market is unique, your goals are unique. So you need to have this comprehensive, strategic approach, have that strategy, give it some thought, then make that plan, get buy-in from your team and any other stakeholders, and then you can work to put together that customized plan that's going to get you your results that you want. It's going to help you achieve your business objectives.